Assalamualaikum. Hey everyone. Today we're gonna build a cool radar truck. Here we got a screwdriver, 4 wheels, screws, and the other parts. First thing first, let's put the wheels on the truck's body one by one. We gotta make them tight with the screwdriver. Next up, we'll put the back part of the truck together. Then we put the truck's cabin on the top of the chassis. Chassis, like the truck's bones, it supports the body parts. Make sure it fits nicely and then tighten it with the screw. Put the radar part to the chassis. After that, we'll put the front bumper on the truck. And for the last, we'll put the roof on the cabin. Yay! The radar truck is all done. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.